Novo Nordisk stock is down 4.6% on Thursday, September 25th, as I'm recording this video. And overall for the year, it's not performing really well. There's some factors that's causing the investor community not to be very enthusiastic with Novo Nordisk stock, despite the fact that it's selling a product that's growing and is highly regarded, and that it has a new product, the weight loss pill, that could be coming out soon, that could be a catalyst for revenue and profit growth in the near term. So one of the reasons why Novo stock is underperforming this year is because the company lowered its full year outlook for 2025 compared to the outlook it issued in May, and it lowered the guidance. For 2025, the company now expects the range of sales growth to be 11% at the midpoint. Before that, the expectations were much better. The company provided reasoning why that's the case, and it's related to lower growth expectations for Wegovy in the US, or Wegovy in the US. The US obesity market, lower growth expectations for Ozempic in the US, and the GLP-1 market, as well as lower than expected penetration for select international markets. The lower expectations for its weight loss treatment in the US reflects the persistent use of compounded GLP-1 along with slower market expansion and competition. The US regulators said that companies should not be able to compound this treatment anymore, which should allow for branded treatments like the ones from Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly to thrive in that environment because there aren't any compounders. But compounders, like from Hims and Hers, like that are sold on Hims and Hers, have been allowed to continue operating and taking market share, and that's hurting sales for Novo Nordisk, which expected better sales if it wasn't competing with those lower priced options. Of course, the compounders, the non-branded versions of these weight loss and diabetes treatments sell for lower prices. And so they, of course, a lot of consumers make choices based on prices alone and not based on brand. And so that's hurting Novo Nordisk. And that's why the company's performance is under delivering so far in 2025. So what's Novo Nordisk doing about the compounders? Well, they're pursuing multiple strategies, including litigation to protect patients from these knockoff semaglutide treatments. Now, the management team did warn investors that this litigation could take time, and they don't expect it to have a positive impact here in 2025. Click the link below to watch the full video.